course, Hula Hula. This event, once again, is Hula Franca Anana Akima, and his Hula sister, and also Hula Hilina Helenihi. We're going to share this song with us that is the title track of our holiday album. Once again, if you are enjoying the music, I promise you, music is a good gift, you know. Don't need to worry about getting the wrong size. You know, also, come and see my dad and our friend Kenny here at the, and Kenny Girl here at our city table. I'm sure they'd love to share some stories about our songs with you. And this is a very special song called Himakanaka Puhuvai.
Frankie would love to dedicate this song to the person who's sitting over there. What you said?
This song is Himakanaka Puhuvai means a gift of the heart. And this is a reminder for us as we all embark upon, or hopefully finish up our Christmas shopping, that any gift that is given from the heart is a perfect one. No matter how much it costs or what it looks like, a gift given from the heart, you can never go wrong with that. This song was written and arranged for us by legendary musician and composer Ogun Kawakahi. He gifted us with this song, and we are so pleased to be able to bring it to you all. We leave this with you folks, a song entitled Himakanaka Puhuvai.
See